Also find it alone.
Recording is rolling. It's Friday, May 8th. I gave you guys a treasure map you should walk it in. So in a few minutes, we're going to go back behind school in the practice field and go on a little treasure hunt here. Just to start at the left-hand field goal post, and then it gives you some directions. Some distance in meters. It's some angle, so many degrees. East to north, east to south. Okay, what's up with these directions? Yes. Here, right before I jump into that, a few things here. I'm not going to see you guys on Monday, well, unless you're doing AP seminar, because I'm going to be proctoring that. So there's going to be a substitute in this room. I'll set up something over the weekend after that. The free response questions should be released possibly tonight or over the weekend. So I'm going to be looking for those over the weekend so I can go over the answers with you guys. Obviously not Monday, but maybe Tuesday as soon as I can. And then my other class, so my honors class, we've been doing lots of other fun physics activities. Oh, here. Should got maybe an example for you guys here. Like DC circuits. If I hook up this bulb to this battery, ooh, it lights up. Okay. Or what about right, there's different ways to light these up. Okay. Um, so I'd like to teach you guys a little bit about DC circuits before you graduate from graduate this class. Some other topics too relative to see what I can fit in last couple weeks. But yeah, today you guys are gonna learn about bearing. So there, well, there's the practice field, but we're gonna come back to that one. Okay. So what is bearing? Okay. Bearing is direction relative to a north-south line. Okay, so if we got a couple of rows going here, let's put east here, north here. Okay, so west, south. Okay. So one of these directions says so many meters, get to 45 degrees east to north, 45 degrees east to north. So if I'm starting at this origin point, um, guys, notice I just zeroed out the north-south line. You guys see that? Okay. That's something you do with bearing. Bearing is just a convention people came up with, so it's always direction relative to north-south line. So I'm going to sweep out 45 degrees. That's right here. Okay. And then if my origin point is here, this would be 45 degrees east of north. You guys see that? Like it's east relative to north. Okay. How about another direction? We've got east to south. Okay, so with that, okay. Now if I'm starting here, how many degrees east to south? This is 30 degrees east to south, 30 degrees. No, if I had started that direction, and some of you guys might have something like that, then now I'm looking at the south axis. I'm just going to say 30 degrees east to that, which is like right here. Okay, so this angle is 30 degrees east of south. See how everything's relative to north-south line? Is that now you guys have three directions because you're going to start somewhere and then go somewhere. Okay. So you guys these are all going to link together. Okay. Hey, is that adding vectors tip to tail? Is that what that would be? Tip to tail? Okay. So really, if it was this, one of these followed by the other, maybe I should take this and slide it up here, connect it tip to tail with this guy. Okay. It could be step one, step two, and then there would be a step three after this. Okay. And then let's say step three was like so many degrees east to north and some distance, but okay. Okay. And then okay. Once you find the destination, you found the treasure. Okay, so you guys get a good idea how to read a treasure map, how to read bear. Okay. Now out in the field, I did bury some treasure. So I staked down one of these. So from above, it looks like this, about the size of a dime. It's nearly flush to the ground. Okay. Somebody walks over that. But yeah, if you find this, then you will be the winner. I'll hand you the spade and you can dig up the treasure. All right, so you guys ready to head outside? Oh, here, check out this. Guys, the goal post closest to us, that's the west end. So everybody's starting here. Okay. Also, I meant to mention this too, is you guys have directions in different orders, but guys, does the order of the directions really matter?
No.
No, it does not, right? Because you can add vectors to tail in any order. Right? I put them in different orders, so everybody doesn't end up with one giant ball, but okay. All right, I think you guys are ready. So let's head outside.